Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Math Textbook 2, Exercise 8.6, Question number 3. If W of x, y, z equal x square plus y square plus z square and x equal to e power t and y equal to e power t sin t and z equal to e power t cos t, find dw by dt. Here, first the given function w of x, y, z equal x square plus y square plus z square and x equal e power t, y equal e power t sin t and z equal e power t cos t. Now dou w by dou x. Here the partial derivative of this w function with respect to x is 2x. Dou w by dou y equal dou w by dou x equal 2y and dou w by dou z equal 2z and dx by dt equal e power t, and we'll do the here next step. First here dou w by dou x is 2x. 2x means x is equal to e power t, that is 2 e power t. Dou w by dou y is y equal e power t sin t, therefore 2 e power t sin t, and dou w by dou z is e power t cos t, that is 2 e power t cos t. Now next we have to use here x is e power t, therefore dx by dt equal e power t, dy by dt equal uv, that is e power t sin t differentiation is e power t sin t differentiation is cos t plus e power t differentiation is e power t into sin t. Similarly, we can do d, this is next d z by dt equal to e power t cos t, differentiation is e power t cos t differentiation is sin t plus e power t differentiation is e power t into cos t. Now applying chain rule, dw by dt equal dou w by dou x into dx by dt plus dou w by dou y dy by dt plus dou w by dou z into dz by dt. Now we'll substitute the values. Dou w by dou x equal to e power 2 e power t into dx by dt is e power t plus dou w by dou y equal to 2 e power t sin t, 2 e power t sin t dy by dt is e power t cos t plus e power t sin t plus dw by dx dou w by dou x equal to e power t cos t to e power t cos t, and dz by dt is minus e power t sin t plus e power t cos t. Now here we'll give little space for this. We are taking here e power 2t. Here e power t into e power t is e power 2t, that's for 2 common, plus here e power t sin t and e power t, that is e power 2t sin t cos t. We have to take 2 sin t cos t plus e power t sin t into e power t sin t is e power 2t sin square t. So we have 2 sin square t minus here e power 2t and e power 2t, that is minus e power 2t cos t sin t, therefore minus 2 sin t cos t plus e power 2t e power t cos t and e power t cos t is 2 e power 2t cos square t. So e power 2t out, that is 2 cos square t. So we have further e power 2t, this cut. The next is 2 plus 2 sin square t plus 2 cos square t, which is equal e power 2t 2 plus 2 sin square t plus cos square t, which is equal e power 2t 2 plus 2 into 1. So which is equal e power 2t 4. Therefore we can say dw by dt equal 4 e power 2t. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.